Hello folks, Math.bot is an AI-powered math problem solver that provides step-by-step solutions to mathematical equations and problems. The platform allows users to input math problems using text or images, and the AI engine solves them, offering detailed explanations and solutions. Key features of Math.bot include step-by-step solutions to math problems, support for various math topics, including algebra, calculus, geometry, and more, ability to input problems using text or images, detailed explanations and solutions, interactive graphing capabilities. Math.bot aims to assist students, teachers, and professionals in solving math problems and understanding complex concepts. The platform can be used for homework help and study support, exam preparation and review, math problem solving and exploration, educational resources for teachers. By leveraging AI technology, Math.bot provides an interactive and engaging way to learn and solve math problems. The platform's step-by-step solutions and detailed explanations help users understand the underlying math concepts, making it a valuable resource for math students and professionals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another AI tool.